everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the Windows 11 version 25H2 update in just a few simple steps. If your PC started having issues after the update, this will help you roll it back safely. Let's get started. First, open your Start menu. Click on Settings. In the left panel, open Windows Update. Once you're in the Windows Update section, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on Uninstall Updates. In this list, look for a feature update to Windows 11 version 25H2. Click on Uninstall. A confirmation window will appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. Now wait while Windows removes the update. This process may take several minutes. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to finish the process. After your PC reboots, it will roll back to the previous version of Windows 11. And that's it. That's how you uninstall the Windows 11 25H2 update easily from your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.